Ooh. Good morning. Oh, that was a good night's sleep. I needed that bad. That was a long day yesterday, man. Little dried fruit for breakfast. My tummy's a little upset this morning, so I don't want to push it too much. It is 10 after 8. I've been up since about 7. I'm going to try and be on the water by 9. See how that goes. Try and make another 7 or 8 miles today. And one thing I am going to do today is make sure that I have found a campsite by 4 o'clock. Waiting until 5:15, whatever it was last night. I didn't realize how quickly it was going to get dark. It got dark by 7 o'clock. And I was done setting up, but I was rushing. You know, didn't have a chance to do much except some beans, which we'll try and remedy that tonight with something a little more substantial. Hopefully something that tastes better too. I think we'll have chili tonight. See how that settles. Other than that, I'll sit here, have a little breakfast, and think about what I'm going to do today. Oh man, breakfast course 2. Little dried fruit this morning already. Ha ha. It did just come off the fire about 30 seconds ago, so maybe I'm not the brightest bulb in the fixture, but well, that's burnt. Alright. Little protein. Whew. Tweaked my back this morning. I had to sit down for about a half hour, making it a little bit tougher to get around, but we'll manage. And we are off on day 2 of the Buffalo River. Make sure that all your luggage is stowed, and that your tables are in their upright and locked position. Because knowing me, there's gonna be some turbulence. Boy, did I sleep good last night. I was so tired. That was a long day yesterday. But I made it. Got an absolutely beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. The only drawback is it's hot, 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 hot. So this river is just beautiful. It is crystal clear. Now, there's not much water in it right now, so I can see straight to the bottom pretty easily. Like right now, I bet I'm in a foot and a half of water, if that. Don't know what's in store for us today. I'm glad I brought this double blade. There's a lot of just absolutely still water. Something jumped in over there. Didn't like seeing me. Whew. Lunchtime. Bugs are everywhere, man. Especially the horseflies. They're awful. They're about that big. And I'm not exaggerating. They can bite you through your clothing, which is just crap. So, what did I throw in here? Tortillas, crackers, the piece de resistance, some pepperoni, and some Italian salami. The pepperonis got a little kick to them. Stone wheat. Good grief. Can't get a grip on it. Probably a mile the downstream side of Rush. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep going. My back's just really hurting. That's why I'm leaning back and moaning and groaning like that. If I can find a place to camp, I'm going to stop and go ahead and set up the hammock and just try and lay down for a little bit. But we'll see. Certainly not complaining. I mean, I'm in the Buffalo River National Park and I have the whole, well, this section that I'm in right now all to myself. So, like I said, not complaining. I have the whole river to myself. I haven't seen anybody today at all. We're going to pack up lunch here. Get out of the shade. Back out there into the sunshine. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Golden Sun. If your kids watch Bernie, you'll know what that is. Looking for a camping spot, campsite. Night 2 home. Mi casa dos. I can't find anything. I'm trying to find something with a couple trees that I can hang the haven from. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful river, what a beautiful trip. It does beautiful. While I was paddling, checking both shores, and I saw over here, river left at the time, still river left, which looked kind of promising, so I pulled over, And like I say, from the highway, from the river, it looked pretty good. When I walked over there, it'll work nice. And I'm moving down just a little bit closer, so I don't have to carry the gear quite as far. Honey, we're home. Let's go take a look at what I think we found. Yeah, I got some water in the bottom of the boat, some wet bag. It's wet on the outside. Actually feels pretty good. It feels nice and cool. And we got ourselves a nice little secluded area back here. And I'm hoping that that tree and that tree will do the trick. Well, look at that. It worked. Tree to bed. Well, the chili turned out pretty good. See if you can see it. I do say so myself, for the first time ever rehydrating chili, it turned out pretty darn good. And still, I guess at this point, it would be considered al dente. Al dente. But I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. Pardon me. I had to make a little fire. Just a little one. The bugs were just, hey, fresh meat. Which is pretty much the way it's been last night and tonight. What is today? Tuesday. It was a good day. Exhausting, but a good day. Saw some beautiful rock faces. Saw a ton of fish swimming right by the boat. Hey, Mad Dog, what's up? I was just like, ah. And immediately I would throw my line in, but nothing. We'll see what happens. I still got a couple days left. Well, I'm going to sit here and finish my chili. And then probably just kind of wash up. I got a bunch of hot water left.